Hello and welcome to another video edition of collegedekho.com. In this video, you will get all the necessary information you need in order to pursue law as a career option. In India, law has always been considered a noble, respectable, and a powerful profession. The job of a lawyer is to provide services to the clients by advising them in cases related to legal matters. Lawyers who go on to become advocates represent their clients in legal issues and disputes by defending them in the court. Initiating lawsuits, participating in formal hearings, preparing legal documents, conducting law-related research are among the various things they do. Now, if you feel that you are meant to be a part of the country's legal system, then becoming a lawyer is definitely your true calling. To pursue a degree in law, there is no specific stream requirement. You can take up any stream after class 10th. However, humanities is considered a good option if you have plans to apply for a graduate degree in law right after class 12th. Some of the subjects taught in humanities include political science, economics, legal studies, psychology, and history. The next step in your journey to becoming a lawyer is to pursue a graduate degree in law. Now, there are two routes to do that. One is to pursue a graduate degree in law right after class 12th, or to pursue it after graduation in any other subject. You can get yourself enrolled in a 5-year LLB degree where you study basic graduation subjects along with the subjects of law with the most common course combinations like BA LLB, BC LLB, BBA LLB, BCom LLB and more. To get admission into the 5-year LLB degree programs offered by top law colleges in India, you can sit for CLAT. Majority of NLUs accept scores of CLAT, which is the most important entrance exam taken by law aspirants in India. CLAT scores are also accepted by many private colleges in India such as Amity University, Alliance School of Law, ICFI Law School and more. Some private colleges conduct their own entrance exams as well for admission into their 5-year LLB program. In case you do your graduation in some other subject, but then later on you realize that you want to take up law as a career option, you can still go on to become a lawyer by taking up the 3-year LLB program after your graduation. The only difference between a 3-year LLB and a 5-year LLB program is that in a 3-year LLB program, you only study core law subjects, whereas in a 5-year LLB program, you study basic graduation subjects along with the core subjects of law. For a 3-year LLB degree program, you can apply for admission in colleges like the Faculty of Law, Delhi University, which conducts the DU LLB entrance exam, Banaras Hindu University, which also conducts its own entrance exam. Other than these, you can become eligible to apply for admission to the law colleges of Maharashtra by appearing for MHSET law examination. Then, there are private colleges that offer 3-year LLB courses in India, such as Amity University, Ansal University, Jindal Global Law School and many more. Now, as a lawyer, you can provide legal advice to businesses, firms, companies and individuals, but you still cannot represent them in courts. In order to become an advocate who is eligible to practice in courts, you need to follow these steps. The first step is to enroll yourself either in a 5-year integrated degree or a 3-year LLB degree. Next, you can do an internship under a senior advocate or a law firm. The final step is to enroll yourself with the State Bar Council and clear the All India Bar examination conducted by the Bar Council of India. Once you qualify the All India Bar examination, you are awarded a certificate of practice through which you become eligible to practice in courts. Apart from becoming an advocate, you can work as a legal advisor for private or government organizations. You can also be a legal analyst or a legal researcher after completing your law degree. The salary package you draw with these careers will depend on your job profile, the company and city where you work, and your overall work experience. Now that you have all the necessary information to become a lawyer, We hope that you will be able to make an informed decision.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.